Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? How y'all guys doing? So yeah, before starting today's video, this is a quick little announcement that I'm thinking of posting my videos on every Tuesday and Saturdays instead of posting it on random dates. So yeah. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get jump into the video. So my today's video is the continuation of my toner and essence 101 video, and yeah, so this is a quick reminder that toners are used right after your cleansers, and there are basically two types of cleansers nowadays: toners, hydrating and exfoliating toners. So yeah, I'm gonna show you, these two kind of toners, and yeah, and some kinds of essences that I've used, what I like and what I don't like, and some fragrance free options. So yeah, let's start this video. So first I'm gonna show you some hydrating toners, starting with with the products that I did not like. So yeah, so first is this Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Toner. So this is the product, and yeah, look at the claim. It says that it is for pore tightening, but I did not, yeah, I have pores over here. I mean, we all have pores, but I didn't see any significant pore reduction on my, yeah, I didn't see any. And it has fragrance and essential oil. I mean, it has lemon oil and it has fragrance also. So if you have sensitive skin, or if you have acne prone skin, then it has essential oils. So if essential oil is not a fact for you, then you may use this. But for me, yeah, it's empty. I mean, it's liquidy. Okay, yeah, I sure left some. It's just liquidy, and it has fragrance, and it has like some soapy fragrance. I mean, I don't like this fragrance, so yeah, I'm not gonna buy this again. And if you wanna try these products so badly, then yeah, but don't try this. Yeah. Okay, so next I have this Wow Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner. So yeah, here is it. Okay, so it has it has the same claims like brightening and refreshing, and it has essential oils and witch hazel. If you have like acne prone skin and sensitive skin, then don't use this. I mean, you can do a patch test first and then use it, but just don't use it because it has fragrance also. And yeah, I bought 2 bottles of this because it doesn't mean that I like this so that I bought it. I mainly bought it like I know when I reapply my sunscreen when I'm outside, when I'm reapplying my sunscreen, basically the dust pollution, yeah, and the sweating, it's all on my face. So what I do that I take this, I spray it some like this, and it has, it is so fine mist. The spray nozzle is so good. So if you are using this, so don't throw the bottle, it's so good. Okay, so then I just kind of spray it on my face, and then I just wipe off my face with a tissue or a cotton pad, and then I apply my sunscreen over it. So yeah, and I don't think I'm gonna buy this again because I see that normal water does the same job. So yeah, I'm not gonna buy this again. Okay, so next I have this Good Vibes Lavender Soothing Toner. Here is it. It has essential oils and fragrance. So yeah, yeah, I like lavender fragrance, but it is so overpowering. It gives me headache. Yeah, but my sister loves this. Yeah, skincare is subjective, so she likes it so much and she uses this on its own. But for me, if you have like the same thing, if you have sensitive skin or if you have acne prone skin, then think before you invest your money on this. So yeah. Okay, so my next recommendation is this Peptaronic Toner. It has 5 types of hyaluronic acid and 6 types of peptides, and peptides are great for skin. Yeah, it has fragrance, but it is not that overpowering. Yeah, it is mild in fragrance, and it is not pure liquid in consistency. You can see it takes time to you know to yeah, like this. It takes time, so that means it's not liquidy. I mean, it's a little bit thicker than your normal regular toner. Yeah, this is good. I mean, it is not that hydrating. I mean, I'm showing you all my hydrating toners. It is not that super hydrating, but yeah, I mean, it's enough hydrating than I show you the previous one. I mean, yeah, it is enough hydrating. Okay, so I mean, you can invest your money in this. I mean, it's really $750. I mean, it's not that, yeah, pricey. So you can surely try this. I mean, don't try the previous one that I show you. I mean, if you are asking me which one should you buy, then you can buy this. I mean, this is really good. I mean, not that great, but it is good. I mean, it's better than those. Okay, so next I have a toner which I love the most, I adore the most, and this is Muji toner. You can see a picture over here, because the thing is, I dropped the bottle of the toner and the cap, it broke. Yeah, so I transfer my toner into this bottle. I mean, I'm not going to show you the bottle, and you can see I have like this much product left. So yeah, Muji is a Japanese brand, and they have no fancy ingredients. It is a basic hydrating toner, and it is fragrance free also. You can buy, I think Muji toner from Ajio or Japanese Taste, but Japanese Taste, I mean, the price is kind of high. So yeah, I'm using this stuff for, I think, from summer, and yeah, it is basically Muji toner, light toner in high moisture, and I just love this so much. I bought this from the recommendation of Moitri Haldar. I mean, yeah, I like to watch her videos. Okay, so next you can see a picture over here. I think I threw it away. Yeah, it has that Laneige cream refiner. You can see a picture over here. So when I bought that Laneige lip stripping mask, I got it as a free product, and I use this, and I like this consistency. It has some milky consistency, and it's really hydrating. I mean, not that hydrating than the Muji toner, but yeah, it's enough hydrating than any other toner that you use on a regular basis. I mean, just some normal toners. Yeah, it's really good. If you want to invest it, then you can surely buy this. I mean, I think the price of that toner is 1850, but you can buy it on a sale, or yeah. Okay, so next I have a brightening toner, the Face Shop Rice Ceramide toner. I mean, it has rice extracts, rice bran extracts, ceramides, which are brilliant for skin. But I finished that bottle and I threw it away, so I don't have the bottle with me right now. You can see an image over here. I mean, yeah, that's all I've left with. Okay, so these all my hydrating toners, which are not that hydrating, but yeah, but this one, and the Laneige one, and the Face Shop one, yeah, they are hydrating toners. Okay, so next category is exfoliating toners. So exfoliating toners are basically that toners which gently remove your dead skin cells, or you clean your blackheads, your pores, minimize your pores. So yeah, they are called exfoliating toners. And for exfoliating toners, I have first recommendation is that Dot and Key 5% AHA toner. So yeah, it has fragrance in it, and it has this pump packaging, like, and it doesn't work really well. So yeah, but the thing is, I bought this as because the Pixie Glow Tonic, which has I think 5% AHA, the price of that product was kind of so high, so I bought this. And I don't understand. I mean, I use the Dot and Key, that exfoliating serum, but I've never got any purging or any irritation. But I got irritation after using this, so I don't use this product on my face. I use this mostly on my body areas, like on my knees or on my elbows. I mean, yeah, not on my face, because I got purging, and I don't understand this product. I mean, if this was good, then I'd be very happy, but it didn't work for me. Okay, so next I have Cosrx AHA BHA toner. You can see a picture over here. Yeah, this is a good toner. I mean, it has no fragrance, no no fragrance and no essential oils, so it is totally safe to use. And if you are a beginner in exfoliating toners, then don't use it on a regular basis. I mean, first use it once a week or twice a week, and then you can use it on every alternative days, but don't use it, I mean, every day. Yeah. Okay, so next I have this Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid Toner. It can't focus. So this is the toner basically, and I love this product. I love it so much. I mean, if you have severe blackheads and pore problem, then just use it and you're gonna thank me. I adore this, and yeah, I've just finished this much. And if you are using this, then use it first once a week and then twice a week, but not more than that. And this is a very good toner. I mean, yeah, but it's not that liquidy. I mean, it has some, I mean, it is thicker in consistency and it's so moisturizing. Oh, let me tell you something else. This is not hydrating. I mean, it is so, I mean, after I use this, my skin feels so dry. And yeah, but if I use this, my skin doesn't feel dry. I mean, it looks glowy and healthy. Oh yeah. So yeah. And one thing, I don't use brightening toners. I mean, yeah, I don't feel like using brightening toners every day, because I feel like if I'm using a hydrating toner, then it is enough. I mean, if your skin is well hydrated, your skin, I mean, doesn't need any extra products to glow. I mean, it will glow from within. And drink a lot of water. Yeah. Okay, so I think, yeah, this is my exfoliating toners recommendations. And next, essences. So I know you know this stuff. So okay, this is the new one and this is the old one. I love this product. I adore this product. This is Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence. You know this. I mean, I talk about this in my channel. I mean, yeah, I talked about this over and over. I love this, I adore this, and I have a backup also, and I'm gonna buy this over and over and over. And yeah, I'm gonna buy this for my whole life. This hydrates your skin. If you have any pigmentation, it just deal with this. If you have like wrinkles, I mean young wrinkles, then it can deal with this. If you have any concern, then it can deal with this. So this is kind of love. Okay, so I think this is my last recommendation in essence. This is L'Oreal Crystal Micro Essence. So yeah, here is the product. The price of this product is so high. Okay, so you can see it's almost finished, but I didn't use this product. I mean, my sister used this product, and I think I used this, I think twice or thrice maybe. But you know what, it is not that hydrating, but it's surely give you a brightening effect. I mean, if you want a toner to, I mean an essence to, you know, give you a hydration also, then you can use this. But I mean, yeah, it gives you a brightening effect, but not the, you know, hydrating effect. So yeah, if you like this, then you can buy this. Oh, it has essential oils, and it has, I think, salicylic acid, and it has alcohol also. So yeah, that's why it's not that hydrating. But you know, for me, toners and essences, you need the hydration. So before investing this product, I mean, use a good hydrating toner and then you can use this. Okay, and next I have, I mean, a product that you shouldn't buy. I mean, yeah, just don't buy this. Do not buy this. And this product is that Biotic Advanced Ayurvedic Biocucumber. For this pore tightening toner, blah, blah, blah. I mean, really, it doesn't do anything. I don't know, I mean, what, I mean, like, माता चढ़ गई थी मेरे पे, इसलिए मैंने ये खरीदा. I mean, yeah. And it is so horrible when I use this. I mean, yeah, the ingredient list just contains, I think, 5% product like haldi root, fruit, क्या ये मधु फल, खीरा जल, peppermint oil. I mean, yeah, I think this is, I bought it, I think 1 or 1.5 years back. I didn't know. I bought it from Flipkart, and if you are using this, then just stop using this, because you don't know what is inside of this product, because you just know a 4% or 3% ingredient, and the rest you don't know what is in this. So I use this. My sister uses it once, and she said to me that you can clean your doors with this. I mean, yeah, I mean windows. I clean my glass windows with this, and it works really well. If you are buying this product, then you can use this as a cleaning purposes. I mean, to clean your TV or fridge, or yeah, or your glass window. But don't try this on your face. I mean, yeah, it's cheap. So if you want to buy a really good window cleaner, then you can invest on this, surely. Okay, so that's all for today. I think I've shown you pretty much every of my toner and essences that I'm using or I've used in the past. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like this video, then like this video, share this video with your friends and families, and yeah, friends and families. And yeah, I think that's all. Make that red button into gray, and the red button is called subscribe. Yeah, just support me, and yeah, I think that's it. So till then, take care and bye bye. And my next video will be coming on, oh, my next video will be coming on Tuesday. So yeah, bye bye.